Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cool Beans English Podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we will talk about motivation. Motivation means why you want to learn English.
Yes, and how to stay strong when learning feels hard.
We speak slowly. We use simple words.
You can listen and repeat after us. This is called shadowing.
Shadowing helps you speak better. You listen, then you repeat.
So, are you ready?
Take a deep breath,
Relax.
and let's begin.
Learning English is not easy, and that's okay.
It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow.
But you are not alone. Everyone needs time to learn.
You need time to listen. You need time to practice.
You need time to understand. You need time to grow.
Some days are good days. Some days are hard days.
On good days, you feel happy. On hard days, you feel tired.
But that's normal. That's part of learning.
You don't need to be perfect.
You don't need to speak fast.
You don't need to know every word.
You just need to try. You just need to keep going, step by step.
Even small steps are good steps.
Learning English is like climbing a mountain.
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard.
Sometimes you want to stop.
But when you look back, you will see something amazing.
You will see how far you have come.
You have learned new words. You have practiced. You have improved.
Even if you don't see it yet.
You are climbing. You are getting stronger.
So don't give up. Keep going. Keep trying.
Now let's talk about motivation.
What is motivation?
Motivation is your reason to learn.
Why do you want to learn English?
Maybe for your job.
Maybe to travel.
Maybe to watch movies.
Maybe to make new friends.
Your reason is important. Your reason is strong.
Your reason helps you continue.
Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow.
But everyone needs motivation.
Motivation is not magic. It's not always loud. Sometimes it's quiet.
It's a little voice inside you.
The voice says, "Try again. Don't stop."
Just do one more minute. That's enough.
If you feel tired, rest. Then come back.
If you feel confused, breathe. Then try again.
You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return again and again.
So ask yourself this question.
Why do I want to learn English?
Think about your answer.
Your answer will help you stay motivated.
Remember, every day you practice, you move forward.
Even if it's just 5 minutes.
Even if it's just listening.
Even if it's just trying.
You are growing. You are becoming better.
And you should be proud of yourself.
Now we will give you 5 tips, 5 ideas to help you.
These tips will help you stay motivated when you feel tired.
Tip number 1. Do just a little.
You don't need to study for 1 hour.
You don't need to do a big lesson.
Just do one small thing.
Listen to English for 5 minutes.
Read one short text.
Say one sentence out loud.
Even 1 minute is better than nothing.
Learning English is not about doing a lot.
It's about doing a little again and again.
Okay, tip number 2. Remember your reason.
On hard days, think about why you are learning.
Is it for your job? For travel? For fun?
Write your reason down. Say it out loud.
Your reason gives you energy when you feel tired.
Your reason is like fuel for a car.
It keeps you moving forward.
Tip number 3. Make it easy.
Don't wait for the perfect time.
Don't wait for silence or the right mood.
Make English easy to start.
Put your book on your desk.
Save a video on your phone.
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
The goal is not to be perfect.
The goal is to start.
And once you start, the rest becomes easier.
Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself.
This is very important.
Don't say, I'm slow.
Don't say, I'm bad at English.
Don't say, I will never speak well.
Instead, say this.
I'm learning.
I'm trying.
I'm doing something difficult.
And I'm doing my best.
You are human. You are growing.
So be kind to yourself.
Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins.
Did you listen to English today? That's a win.
Did you learn one new word? That's a win.
Did you try even a little? That's a win too.
You don't need big results.
Just notice the small victories.
Smile at them. Feel good about them.
Because they matter. They really matter.
Sometimes you study and practice, but you ask yourself a question.
Am I improving? Is this working?
But here's the truth. You are improving. You are better today than you were yesterday.
Even if you don't see it yet.
So how can you see your progress?
We have some ideas for you.
Idea number 1. Write things down.
You can keep a little notebook, an English notebook.
In this notebook, write new words you learn.
Write sentences you like.
Write things you did in English today.
You don't have to write a lot. Even one sentence is enough.
For example, today I listened to a podcast.
Or, I learned the word progress.
Then, after 1 week or 1 month, read it again.
You will be surprised.
You will say, oh, I remember this. This was hard before.
But now it feels easy.
That is real progress, my friend.
Idea number 2. Record your voice.
You don't need a fancy microphone. Just use your phone.
Say 1 or 2 sentences in English.
For example, hello, my name is Maria. I live in Brazil.
Then, next week, do it again. Say the same thing.
Then listen to both recordings. Compare them.
You will notice your pronunciation is better. Your voice is more confident.
This is how you see your progress. It becomes real.
Idea number 3. Notice small things you understand.
Progress is not always big.
It's not always a test score.
Sometimes it's quiet.
It's the moment you understand a sentence without thinking.
It's when you watch a video and understand more.
It's when you speak and don't translate in your head.
These are small signs, but they are big victories. Learning is a journey, not a race.
You don't need to finish first.
You don't need to be faster than others.
Learning a language is like a long walk.
You go step by step. Sometimes you rest.
Sometimes you go fast,
Sometimes you go slow.
and that's okay.
You don't need to rush.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
They say, I don't want to speak because I might say it wrong.
But listen carefully. Mistakes are part of learning.
In fact, mistakes are how you grow.
When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times.
But nobody says don't try.
We smile and say, try again.
You are doing the same, just with English.
So if you say the wrong word, it's okay.
If you forget something, it's okay.
If someone corrects you, it's totally okay.
That means you are learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So please don't be afraid.
Speak anyway. Write anyway. Practice anyway.
You don't always need to study in a serious way.
You can make learning fun.
Listen to music in English.
Watch short videos.
Speak to yourself in the mirror.
Read something interesting.
When you enjoy learning, you learn more.
When you smile while studying, your brain remembers better.
So find what you love and do it in English.
You have made it to the end of this episode.
We are so proud of you.
You listened with your heart.
You gave your time to something important, to yourself.
Today, we talked about motivation.
We talked about how learning takes time.
We gave you tips to keep going.
We talked about how to see your progress.
And we talked about enjoying the journey.
Now we want to tell you this.
You are doing something difficult.
You are building a skill that can change your future.
It doesn't matter if you speak slowly.
It doesn't matter if you make mistakes.
What matters is this.
You are trying.
You are growing.
You are showing up. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
And this is English Step by Step.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
And remember, every step counts.
Goodbye for now.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.